This is Dorian with Dorks Garage Door Services. We're going to program a 2014 Subaru Forester to a Marantec Synergy 270 with this remote control. So on this car, the Homelink button is on the visor, or I'm sorry, on the rear view mirror. So we're going to keep an eye on this indicator light here, and then we will also be keeping an eye on the little light right here. Okay, so we're going to deprogram this button right now. So we're going to push and hold it. Let me just use my other finger here. So that should go to a slow blink. We're just keeping pressure on this button that we want programmed. And sometimes it takes about 45 seconds. It goes to a slow blink. Now I'm going to push and hold this remote control button until that turns into a fast blink. We're going to let go of both of them. Now we're going to hit the program button. We're going to hit it again. And there it is.
And that's all I need is that left one.
That's it. It goes up.
So fantastic.
Push it again.
Ooh, and
Door goes down.